Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody
All right, we've got
stand in your
bacon, some sourdough bread, some shredded cheese. But here's the real star of the show. It's a crazy three-way egg and bacon sandwich. We've got eggs that we're going to scramble. This has already been a boiled egg, about a medium boil. And this is an egg that I'm going to fry up. Mike Foster here, how you doing? You heard me. It's the crazy egg and bacon sandwich. It's eggs three ways. And I got this from one of my comments, and I can't remember who it was. We'll find it. If you remember who said it, they said, Mike, why don't you do a fried egg, scrambled egg, hard-boiled egg sandwich, and I'm adding bacon, and it's going to be killer diller. So first thing we have to do is cook these last two eggs. We're going to cook the fried egg, then we're going to scramble, and then you're going to see what happens. I can't wait. First thing we're going to do is put a little butter down. We're going to cook the fried egg first. All right, let's drop that egg down. Oh yeah, I like that. While we're waiting for that, scrambled eggs, going to give them a good beat. I'm going to give them about 50 of these. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Let's add a little pepper. All right, this baby's ready for a flip. Quick flip. All right. I want this over medium, so I'm just going to have it on here for 30 seconds. All right. Same pan, a little brown from the egg. We'll put some more butter down. Here's the scrambled eggs. All right. Let's move these around nice and low. Nice and low is the key for scrambled eggs. Also a little pepper. Scrambling up nice. Put a little cheese on there. This is where the cheese in the sandwich is coming from, on the scrambled eggs. Another 20 seconds, these eggs are done. I'll meet you at the counter to put this baby together. This is lightly toasted. Just butter it up on both sides. This is that boiled egg. We're gonna smash this down. So this is the first egg. Smash it down and spread it around. Oh yeah, that's the first layer. A little pepper on that. Second layer, the scrambled eggs. I'll put those guys right here. Oh, that looks nice, doesn't it? Don't forget the bacon. Put that right here. Here's that gooey, ooey egg. I'm gonna put that one right here. This is a protein bomb. It's crazy, but it's gonna be delicious if you like eggs, and I do. You guys know I do. All right, here's the flipperoo. Can we do it? Oh, center it. Here's the old sliceroo. Here's the reveal. Look at that close up coming up. There it is. Crazy egg and bacon sandwich. Eggs made three ways. Can't wait for a big bite. There it is, guys. The crazy egg sandwich made with eggs three ways and some bacon. Fried egg, scrambled egg, and boiled egg on some sourdough. Nothing to it but to do it. That's an explosion. An explosion of flavor. You can really differentiate the way each egg is done. It goes toward the versatility of eggs. Let's try another bite. The creaminess of that yolk, cheesy and creamy scrambled eggs. Of course, the bacon is coming in there, asserting itself as usual. And you can taste that nice soft yolk of the boiled egg. I do mine medium boil. One more bite. Check out my other egg recipes, my other fried egg sandwich recipes, all other different kind of recipes at Live Life 365, not just eggs. If you check out my playlist, I've got dozens and dozens of different types of things at Live Life 365, even some self-help for you folks out there. Check out livelife365.com and my YouTube channel by the same name. And let me know what you think and tell people about it. Until next time. Peace.
live life 365.
You can count with me. 19, 20, 16, 18, 40. That's bacon. This one's for me. Just that piece escaped. We finished chewing? Sweet baboo, sweet baboo. I'll be back. There's a lot of chewing going on. That was a sweet baboo. So you can see a lot of the software there. Oh. I don't think I need to eat the rest of the day. Say it with me. Baba.